Hey, hello. I'm Lucas. I'm gonna teach you a few tricks that you can do in your illustration. Come on. Yeah, so I have this illustration that I'm working on right now, and I want to teach you something that really improve the design of the buildings. So you see that I have bricks in, like, if the buildings were deteriorating. So here I have a paint layer and my brick layer, right? I drew this portion of the bricks and then I painted as if it was in real life. As my daughter just dropped something. I painted as if I was painting a real building above the bricks. So it really looks like the painting fell and exposed the bricks. I'm still working on it, but I did that in several places. I did here, I did here, I did here. And this is not supposed to be realistic or anything like that, but I'm telling a story. So here when I show that there was paint above the bricks and the paint fell to show the bricks underneath, I'm kind of telling a little story that this building is deteriorating or this building is falling apart. It's like if you were a construction guy and you imagine. So this is kind of like if I was a construction guy and I was thinking about how the construction was made, but not to look realistic, but more to express, to tell a story with the illustration. And you can do that in kind of every element that you add to your illustration. Yeah, you have to think a lot about everything. But this is what will differentiate your drawing. You are not doing that like a machine. You are actually telling a story. Alright, so I hope you enjoyed this tip, and if you are new around here, please just wait a moment. There's someone here. Wait a little bit. Subscribe, because this is free content, and I just improved your life, and at least you could subscribe.